I'm gonna go through the Excel form, how you're gonna fill out the product information and deliver to our team. So all the product information that you fill out on the Excel form will show on this solution part. So this is the scope recommendation solution sections. So if you have lesser than 20 items, then you have to make sure that you fill out this number one product information. If you have more than 20 items, then you have to also provide information of this second set information as well. I am going to show you how the user interface is different based on the options of the available products. So let's say you have lesser than 21 items, so you have up to 20 items, then this is our solution interface that we're gonna showcase to your end user. So based on the main sculpt type, they're gonna see what kinds of product sets is the optimal for their sensitive sculpt care. Once you click this box, you will see all the detailed product informations, how this gonna help to improve the scalp conditions. So make sure all these required information is filled out. So this is example of our B2C products. So we listed out 5 of them. So listed out the product name, the brand, and then inside of the category, you will see the drop down menu here. And then you select it. The main feature is this is an open questionnaire, so you could write down how this product could help the scalp conditions. In product short descriptions, max 80 characters, and the volume is required. Other information is optional. The key ingredient 2 or 3 is required. And if you have a specific color code, then please deliver the color codes in hex code. And for the product URL or image, you could deliver as an attachment. Or if you have a official site, then please list it out so our design team could download the product image. And top here will be also the drop down that you can select one of the options. And from top 2, 3, 4 is optional. And if you have lesser than 21 items, this will be the user interface. And below here, they will able to see what other scalp care product option is different to them. And if you have more than 21 items, so I'm going to show you for the skin analysis how the user interface is different. The solution parts will be different user interface for more product available. As you can see, based on the skin type or the scalp type, they will able to see all these product informations. And once you click it, you will able to check all the detailed information like this. And below here, because you have more than 21 items, based on the category type for the cleanser, the toner, the serum, cream, the sheet mask, each of the category that you have, it will showcase the percentage, how this product is well matched with your skin type. So to indicate all this information, it's important that you have to fill out this second sections, which is the set information and compositions. So for the set name, this is your own name that you have like each line. So this is some of the example that we name out for deep cleansing, set for oily and sebum control. And set type, you could drop down. This is for the scalp, and then you can select the multiple options. And for the skin, we will deliver the same with the different option detailed here. And set main feature, this is an open questionnaire that you could highlight it, the key features that help to improve the scalp or skin. And set descriptions like what kinds of this line is for. And for the step one, as you could see the drop down of the product, this will be listed out your own product line. So for example, deep cleansing set for oil and sebum control, I am oily shampoo is step one for required. And you can list it out additional product information based on your needs. And for if you have more than 21 items, the product recommendation interface will showcase differently to the other one like this.